Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Fish Finder, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Fish Finder, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Fish Finder from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Garmin Striker 4 with Transducer, 3.5 inches GPS Fish Fishfinder. Discover the Garmin Striker 4 with Transducer, a compact yet powerful fish finder with a 3.5-inch LCD display. Whether you're a beginner or experienced angler, this fish finder offers clear view scanning sonar, providing near photographic images of the underwater world, helping you easily locate fish and structures. With chirp sonar technology, you'll enjoy clearer fish arches and better target separation for precise fishing. The Striker 4 also comes with a waypoint map for marking and navigating to your favorite spots, such as brush piles, stumps, and docks. It boasts a maximum depth of 1,600 feet in freshwater and 750 feet in saltwater, making it suitable for various fishing environments. Plus, the built-in flasher is perfect for ice fishing or vertical jigging. Lightweight and easy to install, the Striker 4 is designed for portability, durability, and functionality ideal for any fishing adventure. Number 2. Lowrance Hook Reveal Fish Finders with Transducers. Explore the Lowrance Hook Reveal Fish Finder with Transducer, a 7-inch Lowrance display designed to make fishing easier and more efficient. With fish reveal technology, you can effortlessly locate and identify fish, thanks to the combination of chirp sonar for target separation and downscan imaging for high-resolution images of underwater structures. The triple-shot transducer gives you access to chirp sonar, side scan, and downscan imaging from a single unit, delivering wide-angle coverage and crystal-clear visuals of fish-holding structures. The auto-toning sonar feature automatically adjusts settings based on changing fishing conditions, so you spend more time fishing and less time tweaking settings. Additionally, you'll have access to high-detail inland maps of almost 4,000 U.S. lakes, or you can create custom contour maps with Genesis Live for even more detailed mapping. Perfect for serious anglers, this fish finder provides unmatched clarity, control, and visibility whether you're fishing in direct sunlight or low-light conditions. Number 3. Venterior Portable Rechargeable Fish Finder Wireless Sonar Sensor. Introducing the Venterior Portable Rechargeable Fish Finder with Wireless Sonar Sensor, the perfect tool for versatile anglers. Featuring a clear color TFT LCD display with selectable black and white backgrounds, this fish finder allows you to view the screen effortlessly in bright sunlight or at night. So whether you're fishing from a kayak, boat shore, or even ice fishing, this compact device has you covered. It detects and displays essential information like water depth, temperature, fish size, and bottom contour with a sonar beam angle of 105 degrees and a depth range of 2.6-130 feet. So wireless sensor removes the hassle of cables and drilling, making it easy to cast far out into the water. With a maximum wireless range of 262 feet, this fish finder provides accurate data without limitations. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 brand support for peace of mind during your fishing adventures. Number 4. Humminbird PIRANHAMAX 4 Fish Finder. Introducing the Humminbird PIRANHAMAX 4 Fish Finder, a perfect companion for any fishing or boating adventure. Equipped with dual-beam sonar, you can easily choose between a narrow beam for detailed imaging or a wider beam for broader coverage, allowing you to locate fish, structure, and underwater contours with ease. With a 4.3-inch color LCD display, this fish finder offers clear visuals for better insights on what's beneath your boat. Its Fish ID TM technology, along with fish and depth alarms, make detecting fish easier than ever before. The tilt and swivel mount lets you quickly adjust the screen angle to suit your viewing preferences. The PIRANHAMAX 4 includes the 8.928 T-transom mount transducer, ensuring precise readings, and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, this fish finder packs advanced features into a user-friendly package to enhance your fishing experience. Number 5. Lucky Kayak Portable Fish Finder. Introducing the Lucky Kayak Portable Fish Finder, your ideal companion for both freshwater and saltwater fishing adventures. This handheld device offers real-time insights, displaying approximate fish locations and water depth 3 to 328 depth with ease. Its Sonar transducer can be conveniently attached to the hull of a kayak or boat, making it perfect for tracking depth changes while you're on the move. In addition to fish depth, the Lucky Fish Finder also displays short and tall weeds, sand, and rocks on the bottom. With a backlit LCD screen, the display is visible in both sunlight and darkness. The device comes with adjustable sensitivity settings, allowing you to adapt to different water conditions. Designed to be portable and easy to use, it even features a fish alarm and can work continuously for 4 to 5 hours. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, this fish finder is the perfect gift for any fishing enthusiast. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.